Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Schwab for crypto funding, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and go to the Charles Schwab website. Once the page loads, click on the login button located at the top right corner. If you already have a Schwab account, enter your login credentials and sign in. If you don't have an account yet, click on the Open an Account option. Select the type of account that suits your needs, and then click Continue. Fill out the required personal information, including your name. Provide information about your employment status and financial details as requested. Review and agree to the terms and conditions before proceeding. After submitting your information, wait for a confirmation email from Schwab. Follow the instructions in the email to verify your account. Once verified, log in to your Schwab account again. Navigate to the Accounts tab once you are logged in. From the drop-down menu, select Transfer Funds. Choose the option for Crypto Funding to begin the registration process. Enter the amount you wish to fund and select your funding source. Fill in the necessary details for the crypto wallet you want to link. Confirm all the information you've entered for accuracy. Click Submit to finalize your crypto funding registration. You should receive a confirmation on the screen that your request has been processed. Keep an eye on your email for further updates from Schwab regarding your funding status. Once approved, you can start trading and exploring cryptocurrency options through Schwab. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.